Oh, hold on, guys. Give me a sec. Oh, this is intense. Oh, my heart. I'm gonna die. Um, let's So if this is before, I think we're gonna meet up with that fat guy, I think. I hope he's not here, because it sounds like he's here. I swear, it sounds like he's here. Where I am now. Alright, let's continue. Oh. Okay, don't worry, it's just blood. Wait a minute. Blood? Oh, guys. I just remember something. My cousin just told me. There's a chainsaw guy. A crazy chainsaw guy. That's all I heard. Oh god, better not be this part. Can't take those chainsaws. He's gonna rip me. He's gonna tear me to shreds. Why is there so many people dead? Why? Oh, that's him. God, let's just hide. I am not getting in front of his face. I think he chopped his penis off, I think. We're not going. I don't want him to see us. Shit. Duck, duck. I'm gonna save here for a sec. Hold on, guys. Oh, God. Hope I can fit through here. Nope, can't. Look at that scary chainsaw guy. I think he's holding a chainsaw or has a hand chainsaw. Hello?
Don't look at us. I love him.
What? Wait, what? Oh, that's nasty. What is that? Ew, you're gross. Oh. I'm leaving. See ya. Is there another way out? Aw, man, I forgot to pick up those batteries. Aw. Oh, actually, I found a way out. Are you kidding me? Are you? Without batteries, of course. Come on, batteries, don't fail me now. Don't fail me. Please. Please, please. Okay, fine. My last batteries. Okay, we can do this. Finally, found more batteries. Thank Lord. Thank Lord we found batteries. That guy is creepy, I swear. That guy is so creepy. Actually, I changed my mind about the insane thing. Let's just forget about that. Thank God I didn't do insane. That tells me. Is that me walking? Okay. I want to meet that chainsaw guy now, but can we like see him later? It's too early.
I made it! I think it's safe. Can you climb up? I'm coming, Cooper! I just have to lock the... There.
Well, I think there's other people. It should be safe. There's no way I can jump. Actually, I could jump through this. Oh, creepy hallways. Run! Oh! 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 Oh, guy! Oh, guys! Oh, Lord! Hold on, I need to save. Okay, one more try, guys. I think. I might stop and give up. Can't see anything. It's so bright. Swear if it's the guy with the chainsaw. Oh, chainsaw guy. Jump, you son. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. My God. Okay, I'm so frightened. Just gonna look at my toes for a sec. Probably gonna check on these guys' toes as well. Oh, you're so skinny. How realistic your legs are. And your toes. Not realistic like mine. Okay, guys. We're gonna end it here. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry I can't do this anymore. I mean, we're gonna keep playing, but if you want more of this, please do a like, because I just don't want to play this a lot. If you put likes, then I'll do it a lot. Alright guys, or if I feel like it. So, we're gonna stop here. Goodbye. Oh, Lord. I don't wanna... Ugh.